Have you ever wondered, what if the same person appeared in your ads, your YouTube videos, and even on your sales page, but that person doesn't actually exist? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that can literally create an entire video marketing system for you using AI actors. And the tool is called Synthesys Actors. If you're selling anything online, whether it's affiliate products, digital courses, or services, you already know that video is everything. But here's the problem. Creating videos is expensive. Hiring actors can cost thousands of dollars per video. Editing takes time. And staying consistent is extremely hard. And that's exactly why most people fail at video marketing. Not because their product is bad, but because they simply can't keep up with content creation. This is where Synthesys Actors comes in. This is not just another AI video generator. It's actually a complete video marketing system. It allows you to create short, attention-grabbing videos, long-form sales videos, and even retargeting videos, all using the same AI actor. And that's where the real power lies. Let's break down what makes this tool so powerful. Imagine this. A viewer sees your short ad on Instagram, then watches your YouTube video, and finally lands on your sales page. And in all three places, they see the same face. This creates familiarity, builds trust, and significantly increases conversions. Because people buy from faces they recognize. You can also create short-form content like TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, designed to grab attention within seconds, which is exactly what you need in today's fast-scrolling world. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The tool helps you create long-form sales videos with a proven structure: problem, agitation, solution, proof, and offer. So instead of guessing what to say, you're following a formula that already works. And let's be real, most people don't buy the first time. With Synthesys Actors, you can create retargeting videos using the same actor, which reinforces trust and gives you another chance to convert your audience. You also get access to over 1,000 AI actors, different looks, different styles, different personalities, or you can even create your own custom avatar. And the best part, it's super simple to use. Just enter your script, choose your actor, click generate, and your video is ready in minutes. Now let's talk about the honest side. What I really like about this tool is speed and consistency. But here's the truth. If your script is weak, your video will be weak. And sometimes you may need a bit of editing to polish the final output. So no, this is not a magic button. But if you use it the right way, it can completely change your video marketing game. This tool is perfect for affiliate marketers, course creators, agencies, YouTube automation channels, or anyone who doesn't want to show their face on camera. Basically, if you want to scale video content without spending thousands, this tool makes a lot of sense. So here's my final verdict. If you're struggling with video creation or you want a faster and more scalable way to create content, then Synthesys Actors is definitely worth checking out because it doesn't just create videos. It helps you build a complete marketing system, from attention to trust to conversions. And in today's online world, that's exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful tools and strategies like this. And if you want to try this tool for yourself, you'll find the link in the video description below. You can go ahead and check it out from there. Also, if you purchase through my link, I'm going to give you a special free bonus. To claim that bonus, simply contact me on Instagram, send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.